Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with BigCommerce for conversion-focused web design, full guide step-by-step. To register with BigCommerce for conversion-focused web design, begin by navigating to the BigCommerce website. On the homepage, locate the Get Started or Sign Up Free button and click on it. You will be directed to a sign-up form. Fill in your email address and create a strong password for your account. Next, enter your store name where prompted. Select your country from the drop-down menu in the location field. Click on the Create Your Store button to proceed. After this, you will be prompted to answer a few questions about your business. Provide details such as whether you are just starting or have an existing business. Complete the additional questions related to your products and sales. Once finished, click on Continue. You will now be taken to the BigCommerce dashboard. Here, familiarize yourself with the user interface. To choose a template, navigate to the Store Design section. Browse through the available themes, specifically looking for those focused on conversions. Select a theme that aligns with your brand and click on Apply. Customize your chosen template to fit your needs. Utilize the drag-and-drop functionality for ease of use. Make sure to optimize your design for mobile devices. Next, head over to the Products tab to start adding items to your store. Click on the Add Product button and fill out the necessary details. Include product descriptions, pricing, and high-quality images to enhance conversion. Once your products are added, navigate to the checkout settings. Customize your checkout process to reduce cart abandonment. Finally, review all settings to ensure your store is ready for launch. Once you feel satisfied with your setup, go ahead and launch your store. Monitor your store's performance and adjust your design based on customer feedback. By following these steps, you will successfully register with BigCommerce and create a conversion-focused web design for your store. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.